and welcome to this quick start guide for task mining business users. If you have been selected by your organization to be recorded as part of an UiPath task mining project, this guide will help you get familiar with the recording process. During this video, we will first give an overview of the goals of a task mining study and what kind of data will be collected. Afterwards, we'll get you familiar with the recording process and present you with some recording guidelines to ensure optimal results. Let's get started. Task mining aims to identify repetitive tasks with high automation potential by collecting data on employees' desktops. Don't worry, task mining does not record everything, only interactions with applications and URLs selected for your study by your task mining admin. While using these applications, we'll collect screenshots and metadata about your interactions, such as mouse clicks and keyboard commands. Task mining is not used to continuously monitor your work. Instead, the recording usually only lasts 1 to 2 weeks. Once the recording has finished, task mining uses machine learning to combine information from multiple users in the study, identifies repetitive tasks, and visualizes them in a process map. Task mining ranks the different identified tasks based on their automation potential, such that your organization can analyze which of your daily tasks should be supported by an automation. Please keep in mind that task mining is not for ad hoc or manual process documentation, analyzing process efficiencies, or testing applications. Now let's see what a recording on employees' screen looks like in action. When the task mining admin adds you to a project, you will receive an email with instructions to install the recording client. After you have finished the installation and signed in, the admin can start the recording for you. You are prompted with a consent message, and only after accepting it will the recording start. When working in an application that is part of the task mining study, you can see your actions are recorded by this highlighted icon. You can also deny the recording of this application if you think it shouldn't be part of the study. For applications which are not being recorded, you have the option to add them to your recordings if you consider this application relevant for the task mining project. The task mining admin will be notified and can decide whether to start recording this application for all users. Before you perform activities not relevant to your task mining study, we recommend pausing the recording for a few minutes by clicking on the pause button in the task mining client. After the selected time has passed, the recording will start automatically again. Don't forget to resume the recording if you start working on your tasks earlier than expected. The client also provides you more information about your recordings, such as the denied and allowed applications and URLs, your recording progress, configured proxies, and details about your recording client. Now that you know what the recording will look like, let's also look at some do's and don'ts to ensure optimal results. During the recording, finish the tasks you started while recording. Try to avoid starting a task one day and finishing it the next day. Work on the same tasks in the same browser that is being recorded. Don't use different browsers for the same task. We also recommend you use Slack, Spotify, and social media in a different browser that is not being recorded. For optimal results, avoid multitasking. Don't start working on task A and meanwhile also answer your emails, switching back and forth between your work. Don't pause the recording and continue working on the task. Focus on executing the task to completion. Alright, we have reached the end of this quick start guide. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please visit docs.uipath.com/taskmining.